All right, guys, so I want to review this. I'm getting it for the first time. But at the end of this video, we will know if this device is worth spending your money on or not. And let's see if this will be tailored to particular set of people or it's going to be general use for everyone who may need it. So let's dive in. So this is a bus cutter from me. I made this one with a 3D printer, all right? So that's from me. So yeah, that's the real blade, all right? Before we do open the box, let's look at the text outside the box. Then we get to familiar with what is going on here, all right? This is AD1 Plus touring item type X electric air duster. Air duster, vacuum cleaner, power bank, and flashlight. So this is more like 4-in-1 device. It can do air duster to blow things away. And those are going to be used for some set of people that I can figure out in my head right now. It's going to be vacuum cleaner also. And it's a power bank. If you want to charge your phone, that's good. It's also a flashlight, which could be good for in case of emergency if your car breaks down. On the other side, 2 hours operation time, LED battery indicator. Then you have the temperature protection. Then you have short circuit protection. All right. It's fast charging power bank, which means this can charge your phone really fast. So this do come with 4,000 milliamp hour battery and 110k RPM and brushless motor. Yeah, airtight seal. So this is what we have right here. It's very portable for what I thought I would get. This is very portable. It's portable, but you're going to like the feeling. Now you are holding it in your hand. Let's look down. All right, so we should have some accessory. All right, so we have this, and I'm guessing this is going to be the vacuum part of it. So yeah, okay. All right, so this is everything. All right, this one is closable. If you look at it, there's something in there to prevent the dust from coming out or whatever you're sucking from coming back out. Then you have the filter, and this is going to be rewashable. This is not rewashable because there's one actually in here that is a paper-like that you have to replace, I guess. So let's put the filter back and lock it in place. Then you can put the attachment, and I'm very sure. Okay, this one go like this. Okay, so this is the vacuum area part. So there's a 2 parts to this. So let's look at the feature, and from there we move on. So at the bottom part here, this is where you charge, and this is your LED light. Then this is where you turn it on. All right, that's the first mode. Then this is more like to show people that there is emergency. Then you press again, and you have like a pause or something like that. Maybe I should call it pause. Then if you press again, it's turned off. So to operate this is how you operate it. There are 3 levels to this, and the 4th level is the booster mode. So the booster mode function where you just want to get something clean quickly. So this is how you turn it on. If you double tap the power button, it will turn on in mode 1, which is going to be the 1st level, okay? If you tap again, it goes to the 2nd level or mode 2. If you tap again, it goes to the 3rd level or mode 3. So the first one is the lower, the more intensity, the power, when you keep going up in the mode. And when you press it the 4th time, it's turn it off. But the 4th mode, which I call the boost mode, you have to press and hold this to get into that. So when you press and hold the button, it takes you to that boost mode, which is the fourth mode, just like so. So I'm going to double press. So that's the first mode. That's the second mode. That's the third mode. Then it's turned off. Now to activate the boost mode or the fourth mode, you press and hold. If you release your finger, it stops. So that's the boost mode. But be aware that when you use the boost mode, it drains the battery really fast. So you have to be aware of that. So let's look at how this can blow things away. So wait, this is the first mode. Do you see how it's pushing? So let's go to the second mode. Yeah, the second mode can flip really quick. Let's go to the third mode. Then off. So let's do the boost mode. Now, let's look at the vacuum part of this. So it's still going to be the same operation. Just put this, okay? So the same operation as you're doing the blower, the same operation with the vacuum. Double press. That activates the first mode. So what can this suck? Let's look at this. You can pick it up. You can pick it up with this. But when you use the nozzle, you really can't pick it up. And I'm not feeling the intensity. So let's look at the second mode. You press again. It's not picking it up. And I can't even feel it in my hand. Now I can feel it a little bit. Okay, let's look at the third mode. Turn it off. So let's try the boost mode. Now that we test everything, let's see how this thing can power or charge my phone. So let's say I do this right now. Let me bring my phone and let's see if it's going to charge it. Okay, it did charge my phone, and that's a good one. So this is a device I get from Costco. It cost me, I think, $39.99 or so. I'm going to put the price on the screen for you to know, but I think it should be around that $39.99 or so. Okay, so first, this is a power bank. It can function as a power bank to help you charge your phone. It's also a touch light, and it can serve like an emergency light. Aside being said, this is also a good blower. When it comes to the blowing part of it, it's very good. But the vacuum, not so good. No, not so good. So this is going to be my verdict. If you are going to buy this, right, don't buy it because of the vacuum. You're going to be disappointed. It's not going to work as you thought. You will be disappointed. This is type S, right? You'll be disappointed. But if you want to buy this as a blower, then you will enjoy spending the money on it. So, what are these going to be for? If you drive, you have a car mostly for ladies, for women, I will advise you have one of these in your car. If you want to do light vacuuming, very light vacuum, maybe you can use the vacuum. But in most cases, those dents in your vents, you can push it away or you can blow it away with the blower. It will work very well for you. That's one. Two, it can serve as an emergency torchlight or backup to charge your phone if you are not in an area where you can, plug your phone. So I think everyone should get this to put in their car for blower and for probably recharging their phone. Emergency torchlights, this will be a very good one to go with, okay? Another set of people that believe this can be working for, if you are a fashion designer and you need something to clean your machine, the lint in your machine after you've worked hours, you want to blow some things away, this can work very well for you. If you want to suck out the lint in your sewing machine, I think this also, the vacuum area can work very well for you because it's just lint. They don't have that much weight. So this should be able to do that for you. And also you can take the opportunity of the brush at the tip to brush away the lint in your sewing machine. This will work very well. Now, if you are in the studio like this, you have computer, keyboard, all sort of things like that. Yes, this can be a very good device for you to blow all those things that are around your keyboard. You can use it to blow your keyboard. You can use it for any other sort of things that require you to blow things away. This will be a good device. For the price, I don't think I want to pay $39.99 for this. I think I will say that this will be a better price at $29.99, like $30. This will be a better price for $30. The reason is that this part of the blower is not for me. I don't think I can bet on this to function well. The suction power is very, very weak, so I will not bet on that. But when it comes to the blower, yeah, it functions well. So I will say $29.99 will be a fair price for this. If you want to get one of these, I have the link in my description. You can just click on the link if you want to get any one of these and get one for yourself. And that's going to be my time on this one. If this is informative enough, guys, please do subscribe. If you're yet to be a subscriber, share this video so that others can see it. Now you know if this is something you want to buy. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.